In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Dropbox desktop app on Windows 10. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Dropbox installed and ready to use on your Windows 10 PC. Let's start by opening your favorite web browser. In the address bar at the top, type dropbox.com/install and press enter. This takes you straight to the official download page, which is the safest and most reliable place to get the installer. On that page, click the download button to begin. Your browser will show the progress in the Downloads bar or Downloads folder. If you're prompted to choose a location, saving it to your Downloads folder is perfectly fine. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, since the installer may fetch additional files during setup. Once the download finishes, click the installer file to open it. If Windows shows a user account control prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, go ahead and click Yes. This is a normal security check that lets the installer run. The installation will begin and may take a few minutes depending on your system and internet speed. Don't worry if the progress bar seems to pause briefly. That's common while components are being unpacked and verified. When the installer completes its initial setup, a window will appear asking you to sign in to your Dropbox account or create a new one. If you already have an account, choose the sign in option and enter your credentials. If you're new to Dropbox, select the option to create an account and follow the on-screen prompts. The app will guide you through the essential steps, and you can accept the defaults if you're not sure what to choose. After you finish the prompts, Dropbox will finalize the installation and launch automatically. You should see the Dropbox icon in the system tray near the clock, and a Dropbox folder will appear in File Explorer. That folder is where your files will sync between your computer and your Dropbox account. If the icon has a solid check mark, it means everything is up to date. If you don't see the icon right away, give it a moment as the app initializes. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Dropbox desktop app on Windows 10. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more straightforward tech guides, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of having your files synced across your devices.